What's up everyone? Welcome back to the Handy Manual. Today I'm excited to share with you one of the newest tools that I recently purchased, a strap wrench. There's so many uses for a strap wrench, but I want to show you one of the unique ways that I use it to save me time and frustration in my handyman business. To be honest, I had heard of strap wrenches, but I had never actually used one and I didn't own one. And until recently, the problem that I was having that I'll show you here in a minute, I didn't realize how it could be solved until I came across a strap wrench, and it was like the perfect solution for it. So I'm excited to share with you that solution. All right, so I got a lineup of tools here that I'm gonna make a little mini demonstration for you. Basically, the problem that I was having was when I was cutting a new door slab. This is the jig that I use to make the hole for the doorknob and latch. And I've got a quick little clip to show you of me doing that. So basically, this diameter hole is larger than this diameter hole, obviously. So when you're cutting the door, you need to swap out different size hole saws. So this one fits in here like that. But of course, when you're drilling into wood and the drill is spinning this chuck, bites against the hole saw. So it makes it really difficult to swap out the size hole saws. So, I would be holding one hand on the hole saw with a wrench on this side, trying to pry it apart. I'd put screwdrivers through this slot here to get me some leverage and torque to be able to unscrew them. But I recently, like I said, came across the strap wrench, and I didn't realize that this was the perfect solution for it. So I'll give you a little demonstration of how this works. All right, so I just finished up drilling this hole on the door slab, so I gotta swap it out for a smaller set. So we take our hole saw and wrap the rubber band around it, making sure that it's really tight against the hole saw. We don't want the hole saw to spin once it's wrapped around it. Now we take our wrench. Get it on there. Use the leverage of the arm of the strap wrench. There we have it. Nice and loose. Now I can swap these out easily. Drill the new hole and repeat. And it's as simple as that. So if you got some value out of that, I'd love it if you hit the like button. Until next time, be well.